or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and I would love it if you consider subscribing. Well, what we're doing today is we're going to decorate my server for fall 2022. I love this server. I picked it up, I think it was 2 years ago at Ashley Furniture, and I love it, okay? So what I'm doing is I already have my lamps on here. I keep them there year round, and I keep them on these little risers I picked up at TJ Maxx. And this is just some baby's breath that I put around it. I think it just elevates it and makes it look better, okay? Now I've pulled my shades, hopefully somewhat, so that the reflection won't be so harsh and you'll be able to see, because it is another hot, steamy day in the south, okay? So let's start decorating for fall 2022, okay? Okay, the first thing I'm going to use is this tree that I made years ago, and many of you have told me that you followed along with me and made one too, and I love it. It's just using a Dollar Tree plunger. I did that before anybody that I know of was doing it. And those are Dollar Tree leaves. And I talked about it the other day. And I just put it in this bucket that I picked up at Michael's several years ago. And I have little precious, I don't know if you, I think it's too bright, the light's not picking up, but little Dollar Tree leaf lights in there. I think it's beautiful. So I'm just going to set this right here like this. That is so fall feeling to me. I love it, okay? Then I'm just going to take this. I picked this up at Hobby Lobby this year, 50% off. And I just stuck some different Hobby Lobby little florals in here. I just basically stuck these little white ones inside of this beautiful, look at those burnt oranges and gold colors. I love it. And I'm just going to put it right here to sort of balance out my tree. And I think that already looks so festive. And we'll take a look up close in a little bit. Okay, now I'm going in with this little tray that I picked up at Michael's this year. And I'm just going to set it in between both of these. Excuse me. I think it makes for a really cute riser. Now I'm going to take this that I picked up in a set at Home Goods, TJ Maxx. Our stores combined. But I love that little check. And I'm just going to kind of throw it off the edge just a little bit to give layers and texture and just a wonderful fall vibe, okay? Next I'm going in with these two Hobby Lobby picks. And this is what I said the other day, you could take and put on, glue on to like a plunger or a tall broom handle and make your own trees, very affordable. But I'm gonna take these and just put them right on here just to give me a little cute little base. I'm gonna put that on the top of that little towel like that, okay? Next I'm going in with this little find that I got on clearance. I think it was 75% off at Hobby Lobby. I loved it. It's a little candle holder. And then I'm going in with this really pretty LED candle. You get a bunch of them. It's flickering, and I'm just going to stick it in here, and it comes with a remote that has a timer with the remote. But my battery to my remote is dead. So you can't see it flicker, okay? So I'm just going to set this right on here. And I need to put a rubber band around that candle so it will stay a little straighter, but it's working pretty well right now, okay? Next, I'm going in with this pumpkin that I picked up at Michael's, 40% off, and it just has that squish factor that I love so much. And I'm just going to lean that right like that. I think that looks really cute so far. Then I'm going to go in with this little acorn that I picked up at Target's Dollar Spot this year. I think it is so pretty. And I'm going to set this Dollar Tree pumpkin right like that. Okay. There, I like. Just kind of got to play with it. Okay, I took that. Took that tag off. It was bothering me. Now I'm going to lean this one there. Okay. Probably push this like that. I really like that. Okay, I wanted to pull that pumpkin a little more to the front because I didn't want to have everything back too far, okay? Next, I'm going in with this little pumpkin that I picked up at TJ Maxx Home Goods. I think it's adorable, and I'm just gonna kinda, I might lean it. Do I wanna lean it? I might just set that straight up over there. I like that. Then I'm going in with this little pumpkin that I picked up at Hobby Lobby this year. And I'm going to take it and I think just sort of lean it against that stand. I think that is so precious. So let's take a closer look. Okay, this is what it looks like when you're standing back. I love that server. It is so pretty. And that little kind of like a can-like thing, I made that with some molds, IOD molds. Well, really stamps. Okay, so let's look up close, all right? So first we'll come here. I just love how that is looking. Gives me total fall vibes. So beautiful. And then right here, I love this little addition. It just looks like it could be, that would be beautiful on a table. It looks like it could be like maybe on a French country farmhouse table. Love it. So look at all this goodness. And I think those leaves really add a good texture and layering effect, okay? So pretty. And then there's my candle that unfortunately, like I said, is not going to be flickering. But I think it's really pretty. Now I could pull this out a little bit more. Okay, I pulled those leaves out just a little bit more. I may end up doing it a little even more. I don't know, I haven't decided. And then over here is this beautiful tree that I made. Have hardly nothing in it and they cost so much if you go to buy them. Now there's the little leaf lights from the Dollar Tree. Like I said, this is all Dollar Tree except for the container that I put it in. And I just have rocks down in there. And then here is this adorable little pumpkin. And over here is this. But it's such a cozy little look for fall. I absolutely love it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you Friday for a decorate with me, and this time it's definitely going to be in the kitchen. So let me go get Maggie and let her say hi to you. Well, here is the baby, and she said, I was sleeping with Daddy. He took the day off today, so she was in there nestled in the bed with her daddy, which she likes nothing better than to do. So, but she went to the vet yesterday. She had her nails cut. They look, if she'll let me even touch them, so nice. I'm thrilled. And I think I like this vet pretty well. We'll see. It's hard to determine from one visit, but they seem, I don't know. Her other vet was nice and good, I think, but I think these might be a little better. A lady that I know in Publix recommended them to us, so that's what we're doing. Say hi, say hello, say I love you. Say I'm gonna go back and sleepy with my daddy. Yes. So until next time, bye guys.